Check 1, 2. We are now live and ready to start trading. We are seeing unprecedented volume coming through on the open, shifting our short-term outlook.
All right, what's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Welcome to BluSky TV. Justin here. I will be your host today. It's Friday, so Mike will not be trading. You guys are stuck with me. How's everybody doing today? Let's let a couple people kind of trickle in after we announce it in the Discord that we are live, and we'll get going. But how's everybody doing today? Everybody having a good week? Is anybody currently in a trade? I'm kind of curious. Start doing our little top-down analysis. Kind of stuck in liquidity wick from yesterday's session. All right, basically range bound for a bit. Okay, so we're kind of stuck right now. Very simple plan if you want to just literally set alerts like under 560 shorts, over 700 longs. That's basically the easiest plan for the day. Anything kind of in the middle of this is going to be very, very choppy. I bet you if we go to smaller time frames, yeah, it's just going to chop it back and forth. All right. So top of the range is about 700. Bottom of the range is about 550. That's the most simple plan we could possibly do. And you guys know it's Friday. We're going to try to get our money, get out, move on with our day, and start our weekend early and green. Curious how you guys' week has been. I've had a killer week. I caught the majority of that drop yesterday, so that alone made my whole week. It was absolutely beautiful, and I know Mike caught it. I caught it. I know a lot of you guys caught it as well. So I am going into the weekend, no matter what happens today, very, very, very green. Curious how you guys are doing. Let me know how you're doing. If you're green, red, flat. Let's hear it. We got about 4 minutes till the market opens. Small time frames, not really much structure. It's hard not to be bearish just based on yesterday's price action before. So I'm looking for continued downside. If you want to be very, very conservative, under 450 is your trigger. But this just looks like kind of bearish consolidation. We keep trying to come up and break resistance, cannot break it. So I'll be looking for downside moves. I might take a small position in the open, just like one of those for fun plays going to the open. Like 2 micros. I'm going to try and just see if a 644 short just happens to get tapped in. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Very, very small position. Just see if we can maybe get tapped in and start the day green. All right, looks like it might dump before market open, guys. And if it does, we move our entry down or we play the continuation. That would be what I'm really looking for more than anything. So this is basically downside target 1 right now. I say we get a look above and fail this morning. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for. US 30 or whatever you guys call it looks better. ES, is that what you mean? I'm guessing. That's got a clear double bottom. If this loses the floor too, this is key support right here too. We're just looking for it to lose. Just lose the bottom. That's what we're looking for. Literally. I know next week we got, I think, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, I want to say. And guys, after the big move yesterday, today might be a rebalancing day. So we got to keep that in mind. But if this does lose this 550, I'm gonna bump my entry down. Market opens in about 30 seconds. So let's go. Congratulations to everybody making it through the week. Y'all are still here. Means you're doing something right. All right, looks like it might just it might drop. Let's see. Is there news today? Nothing significant. All right, there goes the bottom. All right, we might have to bump our entry down to about 550. Target's going to be about that 460 area if we get tapped in. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see if we get tapped in. We should get tapped into this. Shorted and closed. There you go. Good job. Volatile and open. Oh, my frozen. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Looks like I cut out for a second. So let's see if we get tapped in, guys. I got an entry of 550. We should get continued downside. If we break back into this range, it's going to be a very rangy morning. So it's kind of the two scenarios that are going to play out. Man, I slammed my finger in the my door last night. Hurts like hell. All right, we're in. Quick 20 points, guys. 30 points. Oh, I'm only in 2? Oh, man, I meant to get in 5. All right, something's going on with my internet. Okay, there we go. And back to break even. So 30 points back to 0. Okay. All right, so let's see if we're going to drop, guys. So far we swept both sides of this key level at open. Those first 5 minutes always kind of a slight gamble, guys. Let's see. Curious if I got the fake out, if we're just going to kind of do one of these things where we just like chop back in a range, kind of do all of this all day. If we're going to do this all day, it's not going to be the best day for trading. Take your scalps, get the heck out of the market. So 5 minute candle is about to close. Still on the bearish side. What does Mike call this? Mama baby candle, I think. That 30 points, I think my camera froze for like a second, and by the time my chart came back up, it was red. Gotta love it. What's up? Let me know what you all are thinking for the morning. You thinking we're... God, my camera keeps freezing. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Something's going on with our system real quick, but I'm here. I'm not leaving you guys. So don't worry about that. It keeps happening. Great. All right. This is not ideal. All right. I don't know what's going on. It's not my internet. So sorry about that, guys. Yeah, bad hair say sinister scalper. I gotta go do my makeup. Sorry about that, guys. So far not much going on, guys. We're not missing anything. No continuation. We've swept this key 550 level on both sides multiple times. So not time to get in the trade yet. Like, I'm still thinking downside, honestly, but I don't want to get chopped up. Every time this happens where it sweeps both sides, We go short, we see 30 points, goes back to 0. Then you go long, you see 30 points, goes back to 0. It's just one of those mornings that let's relax. Let's not blow our accounts on a Friday. That is the worst, and there's the drop we wanted. Okay. I'm gonna try that same short again. Sitting out this morning, just observing. There you go. Be like water. Yep, be like water. Exactly. So I'm curious. And the reason why this area is rough is look at the 4-hour chart. These are all just buying wicks right here. This is all liquidity. So price is going to be very weird in these areas until you break. That's why I'm saying if you want to be really, really safe, this 450 break is your friend. Anything in here, it's going to be very iffy until you get the clean break to the downside. Let us know if it's your first time here. Let us know if you have any questions about BluSky. I'll do my best to answer them. You're range trading this? Hey, until the range breaks, go for it. Not a bad idea at all. We'll see if we get tapped. See if I get tapped in here. $500 is going to be kind of a key level as well. Oh, there goes 500. Let's see, are we going to get tapped in or not? Kind of entry's like 50 points away. I'm going to keep it for now. I'm not going to chase in the middle of the range. But if you want, I think like that 500 or 510 area could work. Definitely a lot more risky though, because this is like the bounce zone. I'm sure if we go back to yesterday, let's see, this morning, look, bounced at 480, 480, 480. All right, 480 is going to be a bounce zone, guys. 480 to 490. Kind of like a mini TP if you're in shorts. So the buffer thing is, so a lot of firms, basically, they say you need to get to X amount of money in your funded before you can unlock payouts. We just have another phase called the buffer. So you pass the evaluation, then you go to buffer, you hit that 3K again. That 3K is your drawdown and you're funded, and anything over 3K you can take daily payouts on. All right, this is gonna run to 450 most likely. Let's see. Let's just see if we get lucky and we get tapped in. I'm definitely not chasing like at a bounce zone. All right, there's basically price target. If you are in shorts, this is where you want to be looking to take it or trim, de-risk, put your stop loss, break even, all those things we're supposed to do. So if we break 450, that's our like real trigger to go short, guys. Real trigger. So I'm keeping this entry open, guys. I'm just gonna let it chill. That goes back to June 9, 10th. Are you talking about my level? Is that what you're asking? Which level? 450? 550? 4 hour? June 9th. I don't see anything over here on June 9th. Oh, that's July. Wrong month. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I was looking at July. I'm like, we're not even in here. But yep, exactly. I mean, look at this whole area is liquidity. Just like both times it's dropped. Every time it drops, this area gets bought up. So you can probably almost blindly buy it. The 450 area and get some kind of pop. And like I said, I have a feeling this is going to break down. I'm just not going to chase it at a demand zone. See if we can maybe find an entrance, smaller time frame. This looks like it's just going to roll over, guys. 480 could be a potential entry. It's way more risky, but it could be a potential entry. Yeah, let's see if this 450 is just going to break. I'd love to just see a nice push down to like 400, and then maybe we could re-enter or try to get in. And my finger is killing me. I'm going to disagree with you on going back of a month is a bit much. Price is price. Levels don't change. Look how price is just sitting at this level. It wants to break. You can tell. It wants to, but you can't just blindly enter here because you might just get a huge pop like we've seen at this level every time. Just like yesterday. But just now looking at price action, like this looks like bearish consolidation. It's gross. We've literally been in this range since 10 o'clock a.m. yesterday, so a full 24 hours. But we haven't been able to break to the upside. I'm going to keep this order up here just in case there's some crazy pop. So let's sit tight, guys. Let's sit tight. All right, there's a little bounce. All right. Let's see if we get tapped in. Come on. 500 also, guys. 500 to 510. Definitely semi-decent entry. Long printing. There you go. There you go. Always vodka. Always vodka. Got to see the bigger picture. Got to see the bigger picture. We're going to go down. You can scalp it on the way up, but we're going to go down. Damn. Didn't get tapped in. 500 entry. If anybody took that, let me know, because damn. Instant dump. Instant dump. All right. I'm going to bait me into this lower entry now. Let's see. Did we pop? What was our low? Okay, we broke yesterday's lows. I'm going to bump it down to about 480. 5021 micro. Let's go. Let's go. Clear sell model on the 5 minute. Clear sell model now. Breakdown, consolidation candle breakdown. Clear sell model. Man, this might just rip to 350 without me. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Wow. This is that price action makes you want to just mark it in and go short. You took it? Let's go. Clear 100 points. Clean 100 points. Good job. Look at that. What, one micro with what? 2 minutes, $200? You cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. All right, we got clear break of structure. Clear break of structure, guys. Man, I don't even know if this is going to come back and get me. Took it 2-1 mini. Woo! My man is rich. Let's go. All right, got about 8 minutes to this 4-hour candle closes. And what do you know? It is going to give us clear confirmation that we have broken to the downside. 240 profit on one micro. Let that sink in, guys. People work all day for that, and you just did it with one micro in 2 minutes. Insane. All right, how am I going to get in this short? We're gonna have to wait for the 10 a.m. close. There's no marketing in here. If you're not short, wait. Let me know if you got any plans this weekend. What are y'all doing? I just dropped my wife up at the airport. She's going to Italy for a girls' trip. I am insanely jealous. I wasn't invited. Would have been cool to trade from a balcony in Italy, do some live trading up there, but unfortunately, no boys allowed. Chopping down trees? What does that even mean? You're literally chopping down trees. That's hilarious. Let's see. What's my downside target, guys? What's our target? I'm looking for 280. Oh, Vodka, you stole it. Yep, you guys are right. I got that 280-ish area. We lose that. Oh man, we got a. Are we gonna see 28K today? That would be kind of crazy. That would be kind of crazy. All right. Well, there's 350. This is just going without me. This is unfortunate. Had the correct bias this morning. We just got wicked out at open. Literally played out perfectly. I can't chase this. So I got to just watch this go without me, unfortunately. I don't know. Do I just mark it in with a couple micros? I think we should just do it. Let's go small so we can like add in. The FOMO, guys. The FOMO is real. Let's see. We're chasing at this point. I'm willing to risk it. I'm incredibly green for the week. So 339 entry I'm looking for. But this is chasing. This is the things I tell you not to do. I'm just gonna try to ride this momentum. So let's see. Let's see if we get tapped in. If this is gonna dump with no retracements, that'd be pretty crazy. All right, we get tapped in here. Oh, we're in. All right, we're in. Let's see. This is a hella risky play. It's gonna break to the upside, isn't it? All right, we're gonna get stopped out here again. Maybe not. Let's see. Is it gonna dump? You know you're gonna get these bounces when you just drop with no retracement. So again, we're just seeing if we're just gonna ride the momentum and just dump. All right, there we go. There we go. Let's see if we can ride this down. We want to get 280, guys. Let's see. I mean, take your green whenever too, guys. Like we're in major bounce zones. Come on, give us this full move. Give us this full move. Buy 324. And looks like it worked out for a bit. I'd just be really hesitant trying to catch the bottom, guys. Come on, lose the bottom. Lose the bottom, guys. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. This has a lot of room to run. All right, I'm gonna have to cut this. 370 cut, I guess. Let's see. I got damn close to SL right there. Yeah, it's all right, James. This might dump. We'll see. Diamond hands. Diamond hands. I don't know. We'll see. We know we're chasing this play. It's very obvious we're chasing this play. But you are not wrong that I did have $150 in the bag. You are 100% correct. I could have taken 150 and been, had 150 bucks. We'll see. This looks like it's curling a little bit. There you go. We're back. We're back green. I wasn't worried at all. Come on, lose the floor, NQ. Dump this. Dump this to the basement. I want to see just blood in the streets, guys. There we go. Come on. Lose it. Lose the floor. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Oh, I might just have to take the money if it dumps again. Hilarious. Come on. Wow. You got to be kidding me. 60-point pump after that? And unreal. All right, we got to get out. That's a joke. Wow. They really did that. Really did that. That looks so clean too. I just reverted. That was disgusting. All right. Oh, that was 10 a.m. Okay, that was 10 a.m. I'm curious if we come back up to the 450 area. All right, now we got to sit and see what's going to happen. I got no levels in here. So we can make this liquidity wick a level. Yeah, we're probably going to go back to the 400 area, I would think. All right, let's watch this 400 area, guys. All right, we're heading right to it. Curious if I should scale. I'm gonna do like a scale in kind of thing. Just because this could like rip your face off with this bounce right here. Like realistically, we should come back to the 460 area. Ooh, or not. Damn. Just baiting me to go short again. And that's the problem with trying to catch a move like as it's already dumped a lot. You know, there's gonna be these retracements, so it's tough to tell where. Got the tip of that sell back down. Nice haul. There you go. 405 resistance, then it rolls over or takes off. Did it hit 405? No, not quite. That's kind of what I was looking for, Dan. Retail trapped. Yeah, that's. And look at that. Now it's gonna fail. All right. What do we do? What do we do? All right, so let's relax. I'm not gonna take the same play again. So we're gonna keep that entry up there. See what happens. Is anybody in anything? Let me know. I hope it just doesn't chop around here. ADR's got some room to run. All right, let's just be patient, guys. And a short from 683. Damn. Diamond hands, Tina. Took a long at 325. Okay, that's super green now. 6 long. I'm back green. How many trades have you taken today? All right, let's see. I have a feeling this might reverse on us right now. Let's see. I still think the 460 area is the best play, but let's see. All right, and we are in. Yeah, this could rock it. I agree. Let's see. I still think the 460 area is the best, but I'm gonna keep trying these shorts. I don't care. It's gonna do it. Yeah, let's. I hate trying to short after they missed the whole move I won already. I'd love for this to get back under 400, but I don't think it will. This looks like it's gonna rip. Yeah, we gotta cut this. All right, looks like we're coming back up to 460. Man, I hate when my full bias plays out, and I don't get it, and I'm trying to chase. Let's see, we might have to just ride longs back up, but longer time frames are obviously incredibly bearish. And look at that. Oh, and look at that. Good profit with risks. Yeah, Tina's killing it. Let's see. What do you think? Should we try to scalp it all the way up? This realistically could run back up to 500. But it's just hard to go against the longer time frames. That's the thing. Where's that 4-hour candle? Yeah, I have a feeling we're running to 460, guys. Yep. Should run up to 460. If it breaks 460, then this might just go right back to 550. Fridays, man. Fridays. Uh, 11, Nick. Yeah. No worries. Thanks for checking. If you want to go long, I think a long in the 400 area is not a bad idea. It's just you're fighting the longer time frames. Just know that. Like this 4-hour clearly broke structure. I'm telling you, Mike has the right idea with us not trading Fridays. Mondays and Fridays, guys. Is this gonna do it? I'm getting swept nonstop, guys. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. This is normally when I'd size down and just do like 3 micros and just do a fat stop loss. And just watch the 4-hour candle play out. Just like 50, 60 point stop losses, let the candle play out. This should pump a little bit though. All right. This will get tapped in. Again, we're fighting small time frames. We're going with the longer time frames, and I'm trying every key level until it works. Because when it does work, this will be a banger of a play. Man, missed this by literally like 3 points. Choppy little range right here. Missed that by a little, unfortunately. That played out perfectly. Man. You hate when you know where price is going. You just can't get in. Yeah, ES is much stronger. That's interesting. Come on. This is going to run to 282. Man. NQ's toying with me today. Mike would mark it in. I agree. I agree. I almost quit. Ah, this sucks. Come on. All right, we got to take the same play again now. I hate doing that too. If this breaks 280, guys, bye-bye. This might run all the way to 28K. All week, right idea, gets smacked, huge range swings. Yeah, you're not alone. I mean, you're watching me do it right now. But everybody's saying the same thing. Agreed. Did I not get tapped in there? Come on. We've been edged like 3 times this morning. 1 point off. Ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. Oh, okay. We're in now on an absolute ripper of a candle. Come on. Give us a win. Give us a win, man. Get under 330. No real confirmation on that. This is not my morning, guys. Oh my God. NQ is just messing with me. This is absurd. This should drop, though. This is such a bearish setup. It's just going to stop me out every time before it makes the move. Sometimes trading's like that, guys. It is what it is. Wow. I'm getting ripped to pieces this morning. Yeah, this is about my cut point too. Yep, and we're out. God dang it, guys. Drew, I'm in the same boat as you all week. I'm right, but I'm getting smacked apart. This is terrible. All right, I'm gonna wait till it's 10:30 candle. I need to see what happens. The two plays that worked out perfectly, I missed by 1-2 point entry, and they would have given me 100 points. Like all they are good setups. That's the thing. I wish I would have just still been in from 550. That would have been much better. Like this is typically a continuation setup. This should continue to the downside. Question is, do I take this play again and risk it? And it just doesn't look like I want to right now. Long 317? Oh, hell yeah. Nice play. Look at that buyout, though. Oof. This is very trappy down here. All right, let's see what this 1030 candle does. I have a feeling I'm just gonna keep getting trapped in this area. And you guys have seen it. These retracements are violent. It's gonna drop too. That's the frustrating part. All right, I'm gonna let this 30-minute candle close. Let's see where we're at. Probably close, get a little pump, and then I want to see a dump. Pump and dump. Rip and dip. What's up, Hoster? How you doing, man? I can see you up there. This should drop, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna try the same damn play again. This is so annoying. Very frustrating morning for me, guys. Missed the move I wanted. Missed a couple plays by a couple points. This is one of those days where I'm like, damn, I should just mark it in these situations. This is gonna dump. I'm telling you guys, this is going to dump today. And once this 280 level goes, like game over. Okay, cool. Yeah. Just playing hide and go seek with you guys. I think I'm frozen actually. Okay, there we go. Nice. All right, come on. Can we get a actual fill? This sucks. Peekaboo. I'm green. I'm short 2 from 371. Closed here. This is gonna dump, guys. I'm telling you. But like, I'm gonna take this 340 short. It's gonna stop me out, and then it's gonna dump. Like, just watch. Man, do I take the same play that I've lost on twice? I don't know if I can do it again. I don't know if I can do it again. I still have some high conviction that we're going to break down, but my levels keep getting run through, so this might not be my morning. You know, I'm gonna try it. Whatever. We'll go like a 343 entry. See if we get top 10. Let's see. Let's see if we get tapped in here. I swear, if this runs throughout 280 without picking me up, might have to go buy new monitors. This would have been a hell of a lot easier if I would have just been in this play from up here. Because this is textbook. It just wrecked me on the smaller time frames. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Tough week, green but rough. Yeah, it's definitely been a tough week. Yeah, Jaja. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. We'll see though, guys. We'll see if we get tapped in. All right, there. Well, there's downside target for the day. We lose this. Bye. This might get really violent, guys. I'm gonna have to try it too. You know I am. We got about 20 minutes left. Let's see if we can get. I don't think I've won a play yet, have I? I mean, I saw 30 points go to 0 twice, I think. They are not making this continuation play easy. So like 300 all the way back to 450, back to 300, back to 430, and now back down. All right, I'm trying it. 290. This will be the last play. Win or lose, last play. And this should get tapped in. So, oh, and we're in. All right, that was quick. Come on, new lows. Give me new lows. Come on, dump this thing. I want 250 plus. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Bring it on down. 264 fair value gap and a big bounce. Well, let's hope it doesn't. Is that what it just bounced off of? If this just goes red again, I'm not trading the rest of the day. Sometimes it just ain't your day. Stops like 310 maybe. This thing just needs to die. I hate those days where you see 20, 30 points and then it just goes red. Like, stinks. Just give me some damn continuation, please. Do we just take some green so we're just at least going to win? It's kind of stuff that makes me just want to be a scalper again. Oh, ridiculous. Come on. Just do it. Oh, no way. Back to 300? Wow. Once again. Once again. Come on. Some BS, guys. I don't know if you can feel my frustration through the screen, but this should be dumping. This whole week has been, these sweeps have been crazy. Like these retracements, sweeps on both sides. Come on, will she do it? Lose the floor. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Can we get 250? I swear, if this bounces 40 points again back to entry, get out of here. There we go, guys. Finally. Finally. Now just give me some damn continuation. Are you kidding me? I swear this thing is just toying with me right now. This is a joke, right? Is this just me? Like, am I seeing it completely wrong right now? Like, what is going on with this? It's just me? Nick said it's just me. All right. This is crazy, though. Yeah, Jaja, Operation Steal My Cash. No kidding. How is this not dumped yet? This is absurd. Oh, my God. They just reversed it 50 damn points on me. What? All right. This is not my morning, guys. I can't get a full PT to save my life. This is one of those days where if I would have just taken 20 points, I'd be green. But instead, they're just messing with me, man. Straight up messing with me. Oof. Funny price action. Talk about wiki. What does a 1 minute look like? Oof. Ew. It's pretty gross. Just 50-point knife for me. Just get me out of this bullcrap. Get me out of this zone. Come on. I cannot believe this hasn't gone yet. I just need to hold on long enough to get this dump. I just hope it doesn't stop me out first. All right, we got about 10 minutes left, guys. Let's please get this dump. These bulls are just like smacking that buy button every time it gets low. It's just holding so hard. This is going to stop me out. I'm convinced. Yep, absolutely ridiculous. All right, I'm out. Wow, guys, this has got to be the worst stream I've ever done. Crazy. Insane. Oh well. It happens. That might be it for me. I don't even know if I want to take a trade. My edge is not working this morning. Correct reads just getting ripped, like 90-point bounce right there. I'm still convinced we're going to go lower, but I will not be in it, obviously. You know what's sad is I was up $300 in that play, and I was up $300 in the other play. Like trading the open. I don't like trading the open at all, honestly. 10 o'clock is my favorite time to start trading. Yeah, pullback trading is the way to do it, in my opinion. I mean, this is tough. When the levels aren't leveling, it's never good, never a fun time. I mean, they are working. It's just like getting swept on both sides. Now, what are we thinking going into next week? Let's just take a kind of a look over here. Clearly in a downtrend. We have broken structure. Massive support here on the daily, so kind of makes sense why it's having a tough time getting through here. But, I mean, I think we have a lot of room to the downside. I'd love to see us get down to like 26,400. And earnings could easily take us there. It's just a matter of what happens. I still want to short the hell out of this, though. That's the issue. Just these pops are killing me. Next week I'm gonna reopen that orbit plan. Or not reopen, but continue trading the orbit plan. I'm basically right at 50K. See, what's the weather like this weekend for me? Is it going to be a inside weekend or outside weekend? Oof. I'm supposed to go on the boat tomorrow, but might rain. That's Sunday. Yeah, it might be all right. Yeah, Marius. I mean, we might not do anything the rest of the day. Usually after 11 on a Friday, it's pretty terrible. I mean, we've been in this area for an hour now. That was the move. That was the move I wanted, and we got it. I couldn't get a good entry, unfortunately. Sometimes it's like that, guys. Sometimes it's like that. I don't know. Do we try a 400 short again? I don't even know if it's worth it risking this money again. This could be the resistance and roll over to a lower low and then much lower. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. There's no reason this doesn't continue to the downside. No reason. Ooh, gold could be good for a long. Well, I'm short biased because we broke massive structure on the longer time frames. So there's zero reason for me to look long. But it's Friday, and I just don't know if there's going to be any more move. Like this is the full move I wanted. Got it. Just missed it. And I don't play reversals. I need to see confirmation before I flip my bias. All right, there's 400. Curious if it's going to break through. If it breaks through 400, I mean, you could probably scalp along up to 450. But I got 3 minutes left. I doubt I'm going to get into anything for the rest of the day. 258 was the V shape. Well, you nailed that if you took it. Yeah, that's gonna be it for me, guys. Not my best day. Correct bias. Just couldn't nail an entry. Saw a bunch of 30-pointers go to stop loss, unfortunately. Probably should have protected myself, but still been a great week. Still very great on the week. Let's see. We are done for the day with BluSky TV. Fridays are kind of our relaxed day. F around and find out Fridays, as you could tell I did. But Mike will be back on Monday. We'll resume our normal schedule. Everybody have a great weekend. Until then, stay profitable.